Hello dear students, sometimes we need to update the drivers of our motherboard. Okay, so how we can do it? So there are many types of drivers that are needed. So we will see, and we will also see how we can install the various utilities. Okay, that are important for our system. First of all, we need to know the manufacturer and the motherboard name. So how can you see? Simple, press window plus R and type ms info 32, press OK. Right? So this type of screen will open, and in the system summary you will find the manufacturer name, that is MSI, and the product name. So this is my product name, right? So here MSI motherboard latest drivers. Okay, so based on your manufacturer you have to go their website, select motherboards, right? Product, it is of Pro series, right? And the motherboard name is H510MA. Okay, H510MA Pro, right? Search. Here you will see the BIOS file, okay, drivers and various other utilities. So you can download the utilities and install them normally how you install other softwares, right? And in drivers you can download chipset drivers latest, okay, VGA drivers, audio drivers, LAN drivers, and other drivers that are important. Make sure that you select your Windows version, and in the case of BIOS you cannot install it like other softwares. Okay, you have to download that, and you have to use a pen drive, and you have to use flash. Okay, don't do it if you are not a professional, and take the help of a professional person in case of BIOS. Okay, so make sure that you like this video, stay connected for more informative videos.